So, I think it's time I make a video about long exposure with rear curtain flash. Cool stuff you can. Oh, I guess it's working. Anywho. So, we get the camera settings, which we need a flash. Got the Godox V1 with this receiver right here. Let's just try it on TTL through the lens. But in the remote, but I have it set to F9. F9 usually makes it so that, and it's a Nikon, so the ISO can go below 100. I think it goes down to 50 or 64, but F9. That'll keep it. That'll make it so that the camera only sees the LED wand, the light that we want it to see, until the flash. The flash is rear curtain sync, so the camera remembers whatever light it sees, which we will manipulate, introduce what light we want it to see, until the flash, until the second curtain sync is going, and it'll pop the flash, so it's the last thing that it sees. And I got it on time mode, which is really, you hit it once to open the shutter, and then you hit it again to stop it. So we got to kill the lights though, and you'll see. Hopefully this can keep track of me though. Hey. But this is a light wand I got, and I put these gels on here, color gels. It really confused me at first when they called them gels, because I'm like, I expected some type of gelatin or gel, or they're not gel, they're just color filters. I don't know why they're not called that. Well, we'll kill it. Let's see how this works. There we go. So while the shutter was open, I waved the wand and then popped the flash, and voila! Magic. Magic. You can do all kinds of cool stuff, like you can even light yourself up, move a little bit. Here, we'll try that. Then when you pop the flash, bam, you're in focus. So simple. See if that worked. Ooh. It's kind of freaky. Kind of creepy looking. I like it. But I like doing the tabletop thing. You do all kinds of weird stuff with that. God damn it. Ha! Yeah, that's pretty sweet. But You gotta have to know how to use a off-camera flash, and you kind of need like stuff. You gotta kind of already know what long exposure is. But the rear curtain flash is like a cheat. It's like cheating. It works too well. Anywho.